everyone. Welcome back to Creating with Miss Betty. And today I will be participating in an open collaboration with two beautiful ladies. The host is Decorating and Plays, and the co-host is Indiana Jones. And I will leave both linked below. Go over to their channel and show them some love. Also, I will be placing the playlist of all the participants in and I hope y'all enjoy this shabby chic style. I'm dedicating it to my mom. This kind of look like her dresser. She loved it pink, and she loved her jewelry. And on Sundays morning, she always wanted me to put her jewelry on before she went to church. So, Mom, this is for you. And y'all have a blessed day and have a safe day. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.